We would watch any game that was on, really.
Julie Tuttle watches a football game with her son, a weekend routine she used to enjoy with another fellow fan, her late husband, Michael.
Well, we went to a Vikings game every year, and it was just something that we all loved and enjoyed doing.
Their last game together, November 9th, 2019. Julie went to bed early. Michael kept watching the game. When she woke up the next morning, Julie heard him snoring, but something was off.
In fact, I could kind of tell as I started to walk down the hall, this doesn't sound right. So I could tell.
Michael wouldn't wake up. When paramedics arrived, they checked his blood sugar. The results were alarmingly low.
I remember asking the paramedic when I got there if he had woken up in the ambulance, and she said that he didn't.
Michael died 10 days later from hypoglycemia, a death his family says should not have happened because Michael used this, the G6, a glucose monitoring device made by a company called Dexcom. It's typically connected to a user's abdomen, and it's supposed to continuously provide up-to-date blood sugar levels on an app. Transformative technology for diabetics because the company claims it replaces finger-stick blood testing. Even Nick Jonas endorsed it in this Super Bowl ad.
Finally, technology that makes it easier for us to manage our diabetes.
The G6 makes two big promises. It will sound an alarm when a user's blood sugar gets too high or too low, or if anything goes wrong with the app. Michael's alarm didn't go off until after he was already at the hospital.
It is not something that you can hope for the best on.
Natalie Woodward and Brian Cathy are attorneys representing the Tuttle family in a wrongful death lawsuit.
And so this product was encouraging people to rely on it, not only for accurate readings, but for alerts. And it failed all of those things at a time when he needed it the most.
The Food and Drug Administration authorized Dexcom's request to sell the G6 to consumers in 2018. Since then, the agency has received more than 500,000 reports of problems, 13 linked to deaths. The majority of the issues connected to wireless communication problems.
It was continuously saying it was out of range.
Ray Lloyd is one of them. He filed his complaint with the FDA nearly 2 years ago.
About how long did you notice the problem after getting it?
Within days.
The Atlanta resident still uses the device, but says he can't trust that it works as advertised.
There's some disclosures I believe that the consumer should have and be aware of because the device is not foolproof. It can definitely misfire.
In 2016, the American Medical Association published this article highlighting problems with the previous Dexcom model, noting 65,000 consumer complaints of inaccurate blood sugar readings. The author warning the agency the FDA panel was not provided information about the large number of reports of device inaccuracy before it was approved. Dr. Alan Shapiro is that author.
I discovered that there were many instances, many reports of inaccuracy.
Dr. Shapiro wrote 3 letters to the FDA voicing his concerns. No one responded.
How soon after did the FDA approve this device?
2 or 3 months.
It was also that wedding.
The day Julie's husband died, the FDA issued a recall of the G6's phone application software. Dexcom addressed it with an update to its app. The device remains on the market today.
I couldn't believe it. I mean, just how ironic is that on the day he dies, there's a recall. It was shocking.
The Review requested an interview from Dexcom officials and its attorneys multiple times over the past month. While they didn't respond to us, they do deny any wrongdoing in court filings. In May, a federal judge gave the lawsuit the green light to move forward, but threw out claims seeking punitive damages. The FDA says it takes reports of safety issues seriously, but does not believe the numbers submitted to the agency are extraordinarily high.